Welcome to another edition of DX Engineering Videos. We're here today at DX Engineering headquarters in Tallmadge, Ohio, and we're proud to have a visitor with us. This is Sandy, DL1QQ. Welcome, Sandy.
Thank you very much, Tim. I'm very happy to be here.
It's
at
great to have you back. This is your second visit to DX Engineering, and we interviewed you some time ago. And so, what have you been doing in contesting lately?
Well, after the competition in Boston for WRTC 2014, it got a little bit more quiet. I mean, I was really busy with the qualifying process for that. So I didn't take part in every contest since then, but of course in the big ones like the CQ Worldwide, WPX, CW for example. Last year I operated as N0QQ, multi-single from Long Island in Maine, and yeah, we were pretty successful.
And so what station was this in Maine that you used back in May?
That was the station from Doug Grant, K1DG. He owns a place there at Long Island in Maine.
And so who were the operators during that contest?
That was Doug and Delta Kilo 2 Oscar Yankee and me. DK2 Oscar Yankee is my contest Elmer. So when I was starting in contesting, he told me all about contesting and what it is and how to do it correctly.
Wow. And so I think it was some time ago, not that long ago though, you operated from Mallorca. What was that like?
Well, that was Echo Delta 6 Alpha. That's been a long time ago. It was in 2013, I think. Yeah.
Okay. And so you get to operate at various stations, and do you do some of the smaller contests, like there's various field days that are part in Germany? There's not just one field day like here in the U.S.
Well, yeah, the first weekend in June and the first weekend in September, there are the field day contests in Germany, or in Europe. And yeah, I took part at the station of Delta Lima 0 Charlie Sierra in the northern part of Germany for the sideband field day last year. So
the one field day is phone or sideband, and one field day is CW.
Right, that's correct.
Okay, so you don't do both at the same time. And you know, you're a part of the next WRTC, which is WRTC 2018. Tell us about that.
Yeah, that's going to take place in July 2018, the second weekend. It's the first time that WRTC is going to be held in Germany. It's the 8th WRTC at all. And yeah, I'm helping the organizing committee with fundraising, so I'm responsible for fundraising in the United States. And yeah, the team is working very hard to get everything set up. I mean, the sites have to be evaluated, the equipment has to be taken care of, and I think they're making good progress.
And so, how do you think that this WRTC is going to stack up against the 8 previous WRTCs?
What do you mean with stack up?
I mean, how do you think? Do you think it will be different? Do you think it will be a very level playing field?
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure that it will be a level playing field. It will be the same setup like it was in Boston. So it's a multi-2 operation field day style, low power contesting. And
what part of Germany will the stations be located in?
They will be located in the Jessen area. That's in the former eastern part of Germany. The headquarter hotel will be in the city of Wittenberg. That's where Martin Luther put his 95 Theses on the church wall. And yeah, that's in the triangle of Berlin, Dresden and Leipzig.
Okay. So if I was to come to WRTC 2018 as a visitor to watch, is that possible?
Oh yeah, that's definitely possible, and I invite everybody to come over to Germany. It will be a great event with lots of parties, and there are sightseeing attractions you can visit. I mean, Berlin, it's about 100 kilometers away. There's lots to see there, and Dresden, it's a nice city.
So this is in the middle of July, is that right?
Yeah, the second weekend.
Second weekend in July. And WRTC, the 24-hour competition, occurs at the same time as the IARU Radiosport contest. So although there are different rules for your on-site competitors.
Yes.
Right. And you know, you talked about that you're in charge of the fundraising in the United States. How's that going?
I think it's going pretty good. So the latest charts showed that like 39% of the donations that we fundraised so far are coming from the United States. So you guys here are very big support to us. 56% are from German donations, and I'm very proud of that. And I think it's really important that we are able to finance this big event in Germany with German donations, and can make this a great event in Germany.
What is the website for WRTC 2018?
Okay, it's www.wrtc2018.de. So you can find all information on that homepage, how you can donate, how you can participate, and also the qualification standings. Even though the qualification process is already over, but they are not all final results yet.
Okay, and you have a donation partner in the United States.
Right. So as a US taxpayer, if you want to donate to this event, you can do this through WWROF. That's a US nonprofit organization, and they handle all the donations for us, and then it's tax deductible.
Right, and that's www.rof.org.
Yes.
Right, and do you think that the competitors will have a very close competition in Germany? Do you expect a good result?
Oh yeah, I think it will be real competitive.
Yes.
It will be really close. I mean, the best contesters from around the world will show up there, so it's going to be
exciting. I
exciting,
think.
yeah.
And you have 3 youth teams, is that right?
Yeah, that's the first time ever in the history of WRTC. In Boston they had 1 youth team, but we decided, or the organization committee decided to have 3 youth teams this time, because it's so important to involve more young people into this great contesting hobby. So, and we hope that there will be lots of interest in that. So if you are 25 years or younger in July 2018, you're welcome to apply for a seat of a team. So you don't have to be qualified in the process. So it's just a matter of age, and if you're interested, you can apply for that.
Well, it sounds like a very exciting event, and I think the organizers must be very proud of the progress so far, and we look forward to another one of your updates in the future. And thanks to all of you for watching another edition of DX Engineering Videos.
Thank you very much, Tim.